on staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now.
Hey Foureverdolls, welcome back to my channel. So today is the very last day of the 3-day V-Day slay. The video.
Hey Foureverdolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. Be on the lookout for my eyebrow tutorial, you guys. I promise it's coming. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm going to be using that for the look that I want to go for today. I wanted a dewy foundation look, so I went in with a dewy foundation. Now I'm going in with my NYX foundation brush, and I'm going to be using that to blend out my foundation. You guys always remember, you never want to blend with a dry product, so spray that brush, sis. Don't be that girl. Okay, so I took my beauty blender to just go back in and smooth out the edges. I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Slay Foundation, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of that. Well, if I don't get it on my clothes, I'm going to be taking a little bit of that as well and blending it in with my L'Oreal foundation just to make sure that I have a full coverage foundation thing going on here, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Tarte Born This Way concealer, and you guys, it is closest to my foundation color, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my face today. No, I'm not going in with a lighter concealer. I don't have to, you guys. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to be using that to balance everything out. So now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to be using that to go in with the eyes. Again, this one is the Zulu palette. I'm going in with the pink, you guys, and we're just going to get that really, really deep. We're going to make sure we have it really, really popping so that when we add our other colors, it doesn't blind out that pink. So now I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be using the burgundy color out of the palette to blend in with the pink to just make it a little bit more subtle and a little bit more dark. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Morphe concealer, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. I'm doing the look up method, you guys. I'm looking up. I'm taking the concealer and placing it at the end of my lid and then looking up. You guys, you cannot fail this way, I promise. And I know a girl could have used some chapstick. Do not come for me, I promise. I will come back. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer and apply my setting powder as well. You guys, the reason why I did it this way is because my camera did cut off in the middle of filming. It got too hot, which has never done that before, and I am truly sorry, dolls. So I'm going into the Huda Dust palette, and I'm going to be using the purple to blend underneath my under eye. And I'm taking the heart rhinestones. I don't remember where I got them from, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and do the next eye. I'm going in with glitter primer, you guys. Just priming my eye and getting it ready for the glitter that we're going to be applying. And the glitter that I'm using is the NYX Loose Glitters. To achieve this look. So off camera, I did go in and incorporate some rhinestones above the liner, as well as some gold hearts on the outskirts of the glitter. So yeah, I don't remember where I got any of the hearts or rhinestones from, you guys, but I'm pretty sure you can go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's in the arts and crafts section and find you some rhinestones, hearts, and all kind of cool shapes. The liner that I'm using is the L'Oreal Super Slim Liner, and I'm just using that to complete the eyeliner look for my eye and just get my eye ready for the rhinestones as well as the gold hearts. So now what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm just taking that extra product that was left onto my brush and I'm just smoking that crease out so it doesn't look so harsh. This is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lippy and we're going to be out the door. I'm going in with a Trophy Wife lip liner by Huda and I'm going to be using that to shape my lips. And I'm going in with the Fenty by Rihanna lip gloss and I'm going to be using that to complete the look. I'm going to add some setting spray, you guys, and we're going to be out the door. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!